How to get my AI on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, start by opening up your Snapchat application and go to this chat box on the bottom left, and this will take you to your chat box where you have to simply go for this my AI on the top. So if you can't see my AI and still didn't get my AI Snapchat, what you have to do is to start by updating your application. For that you have to open up your Play Store and simply search for the Snapchat, and make sure to use the updated version of your Snapchat application. Once you are done with the step number 1, you have to move to the step number 2, which is clearing the junk files of the Snapchat. For that you have to simply click and hold on your Snapchat and go for its apps info. Once you have entered here, click on the storage and cache. Clear its cache and clear its storage. But before clearing its storage, make sure to remember your username and password, as it will log out you from your Snapchat account. So once you are done with all of this, you have to go back to your Snapchat and see if this issue resolves or not. If you still can't see my AI in your chat box, you have to click on your profile on the top left and go for this gear icon on the top right corner. Once you have entered here, scroll all the way down to the support and go for this I need help, and this will take you to their official help center, where you have to go for this my AI under the privacy. Once you have entered here, as you can see, how do I access my AI on Snapchat, which is the second number. So simply click on that. So once you have entered here, as you can read, you can find my AI on your chat screen. Swipe right from the camera screen to open the chat screen and try it out. So on the bottom, as you can see, please note, so as you can read, my AI and new my AI features are rolling out slowly and may not be available to you just yet. So as you can read yourself, that Snapchat is going to release it one by one or slowly. So if you can't still see the my AI on your Snapchat, that means Snapchat didn't even release it on your Snapchat account. So you just have to wait until Snapchat releases it officially. So that's how basically you can get my AI on Snapchat.